Turmeric is a spice native to South Asia that has been used in cooking for centuries. In recent years, curcumin, the main active component of turmeric, has attracted the attention of scientists for its potential health benefits. Let's explore 5 health benefits of curcumin, supported by science. We will find out how curcumin can, for example, protect the brain from Alzheimer's disease or relieve pain and inflammation in arthritis. We will see how curcumin has antimicrobial, antiviral, and anti-cancer properties and how it can modulate the overaggressive immune response in some diseases, including COVID-19. Let's find out together the health benefits of turmeric and how we can incorporate it into our diet to improve overall well-being. Curcumin could protect against Alzheimer's disease by preventing the formation of harmful proteins in the brain. It could also eliminate the tau protein that contributes to the disease. However, research has mixed results, and one study suggested that turmeric consumption does not improve cognitive function in patients with Alzheimer. Curcumin could relieve the pain and joint dysfunction of osteoarthritis without the gastrointestinal side effects of anti-inflammatory drugs such as aspirin and ibuprofen. The effectiveness of curcumin in reducing joint inflammation and pain has been demonstrated in several studies. Curcumin could improve overall brain health due to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It could prevent or reduce symptoms of neurodegenerative diseases such as dementia, Huntington disease, multiple sclerosis, and Parkinson disease. Curcumin could improve mood, reducing depression and anxiety, according to clinical studies. This is thought to occur through increasing brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that maintains healthy neuronal cells and is stimulated by curcumin. However, there are no long-term studies evaluating the efficacy of curcumin over a period of at least 8 weeks. Curcumin has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that could protect against the development of chronic diseases such as heart disease and diabetes. In addition, curcumin can modify the gut microbiota in ways that have positive effects on the whole body and mind. Curcumin also has antiseptic, antiviral, and anti-cancer properties and could modulate the overly aggressive immune response that some COVID-19 patients experience.